Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so this next video is on cultivating equanimity, how to have direct spiritual experiences. Now, in the teachings of the Buddha, he talked about whole body breathing. Now, obviously, this doesn't refer to your physical breath, because your physical breath comes in through the nose and into the lungs. Vital energy of your body breathes through the pores. Your whole body is continually breathing vitality, vital energy. This vital energy regulates the static. It's the fuel of your emotions. It's the fuel of your life. It's the fuel that animates your mind, and it is the door to neutralizing the static underlying your consciousness that animates your consciousness, so that your consciousness goes into equanimity and you can move your mind through whichever one of the gates you wish to achieve samadhi through and generate equanimity in that gate of consciousness. So this method is basically building the ball, whole body pore breathing. You vital breathe through the whole body. You create a self-fulfilling prophecy with every breath that you're drawing vital energy in to relax and neutralize the static of your body. So you draw vital energy in, then you relax, make everything quiet, create a peacefulness. When you're generating peacefulness, the first thing to happen is time slows down. Your consciousness and your perception of time is released. The next thing that happens is, as you cultivate stillness, space releases. Your mind occupies more space. The next thing that happens is a deep quietude underneath objects. Everything becomes inherently empty, and you recognize the relationship between form and emptiness. And if you continue to do this whole body breathing and relaxing, releasing into the stillness, you achieve samadhi. You enter into samadhi. Now, samadhi is accompanied by equanimity, and equanimity is accompanied by insight. It's a causal chain. So, vital breathe with a self-fulfilling prophecy of entering the stillness. So you're dissolving static, you're relaxing, releasing the mind with each breath. Then as your whole body pore breathing, you go through those stages, releasing time, releasing space, engaging equanimity, and then take the equanimity into each gate. Eye consciousness, awaken the divine eye. Sound consciousness, awaken inner hearing of the spiritual worlds. Feeling consciousness, feel the inner realms. So you put one foot in the spiritual world, one foot in the physical world, and you hold both worlds at the same time, and this is a spiritual path. This is what activates each of the sense gates and blends spiritual knowledge and physical, and you see the causation chain of how things are coming into form. You start to understand the nature of karma, the way mind touches thoughts, makes a story, creates a feeling, you interact with the feeling, you act upon it, you create a habit, there's a subconscious habit. How you reverse engineer this becomes very, very obvious when you bring each of the gates of the mind into equanimity, enter samadhi. Samadhi generates that deeper equanimity, which loops into insight, and you have direct insight into your spiritual path. Everything you need is already within you. You don't need a teacher, you don't need a YouTube website, you don't need anything other than sit your mind still, breathe, release the static, enter into samadhi, and the rest takes care of itself. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.